A brand new F-35 fighter jet, ingeniously assembled from components of two wrecked aircraft, has taken to the skies for its first flight. This remarkable feat highlights not only the technological prowess behind the F-35 program but also the innovative repair methods redefining modern air combat readiness. The F-35 Lightning II is not just another fighter jet, it's the culmination of decades of research, engineering, and operational experience. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the F-35 boasts stealth capabilities, advanced sensor fusion, and unparalleled situational awareness. Its design was meant to push the boundaries of aerial combat, making it a symbol of next-generation military aviation in an unprecedented repair operation. Engineers faced a daunting challenge, transforming wreckage into a fully operational fighter jet. By meticulously salvaging critical components ranging from avionics and flight control systems to structural airframe elements, from two damaged F-35s, a new jet was painstakingly reassembled. This operation goes far beyond routine repairs. It's an innovative reimagining of how modern military assets can be sustained and upgraded. Reconstructing an F-35 from salvaged parts was not without its technical hurdles. Every piece of salvaged hardware was rigorously inspected to ensure it could meet strict airworthiness standards. The fusion of legacy parts with state-of-the-art diagnostic and control systems required precise calibration and complex software integration. Prior to its maiden flight, the reassembled jet underwent numerous ground tests and simulations, ensuring that every system, from hydraulics to avionics, operated seamlessly. This bold engineering endeavor may well signal a new era in military aviation logistics. By transforming wrecked jets into fully operational assets, salvage operations can extend the life of expensive platforms while minimizing the need for entirely new builds. Faster turnaround times mean that damaged aircraft can be returned to service more swiftly as modern platforms become increasingly complex. The ability to integrate and repurpose components could redefine aircraft lifecycle management. After a series of rigorous tests and adjustments, the reassembled F-35 took to the skies in a historic first flight. This critical moment not only validated the technical expertise behind the salvage project but also underscored the potential for such innovative approaches to revolutionize military repair practices. Observers and experts alike are watching closely, as this milestone may open the door for similar initiatives in the future. Defense experts have weighed in on this remarkable achievement. They note that the success of such a salvage operation could lead to the ability to quickly repair and upgrade aircraft will be invaluable in rapidly changing combat environments. Innovations born from these challenges often lead to advancements that benefit future aircraft designs. By reusing existing parts, defense budgets might be stretched further to invest in next-generation technologies and capabilities. As the new F-35, reassembled from the remnants of two wrecked jets, ascends into the future of combat aviation, it embodies both resilience and innovation. This story isn't just about a single aircraft, it's about the ingenuity that drives modern defense and the transformative potential of turning challenges into opportunities. What are your thoughts on this innovative approach to aircraft repair? Share your thoughts in the comments below.